I'm going to show you today how to do the enzyme. So what we are going to need is some water, some very hot water to melt the sugar, some citrus peel, a scale to be able to weigh this, and sugar. And the sugar doesn't need to be organic because this we're going to use for cleaning and other purposes and not for eating. So the relationship between the citrus, the water and the sugar is 1, 3, 10. 1 sugar, 3 peel and 10 of the water. Now we have a container here that we already measured that can be 500 grams of citrus. So what we need to use is mainly like this to try to remove as much as possible of the pulp. So we have 500 grams of citrus peel. So what I do is, if I can find the cereal, 500 divided in 3, that gives me how much sugar I need. So according to the calculator, I need 166 grams of sugar. I put it here in the scale and I did measure and make sure that I forgot the spoon. So you always can find alternative ways of doing things. Shouldn't get stuck because you don't have the right ingredients. Don't let your dreams stop because you don't have a spoon. So what we need to do now is to put the liquid inside here. We already mixed the sugar with the water, so we have plain water there, and then we have to put 1 liter 666 grams of liquid. That's it. We close it, and again we put the date. We write enzyme so we know what it is, the date of today, the date in 3 months. That means in 3 months we can start using it, but it's best after 6 months. And that's it. See you in 6 months. So 6 months later, here we wrote down when we started and when it's finished. And oh, it smells so nice. Ah, it's a pity that you cannot smell it. Okay, we would need a recipient just to put that liquid in here, and a colander. And if you want, you can use a cloth to have it very fine. It's not the most important thing. And then you start pouring. Now I'm removing as much liquid as possible from here, because remember that it takes 6 months for this to be there, so we want to get every single drop. So one of the things we can use this for is as a fertilizer. So we are just here in the greenhouse, so we use this and we spread it like this everywhere. This is very good for the plants. For the next batch, if you want, you can keep some of this because then it has the right fermenting. So it's not that you have to, you can. So that's it from today. Thank you very much, and you can check in our homepage the rest, how to use this in a very, very clever way. Thank you. Bye.